Here we go again. Notice how I stopped all that ringing by putting my hand on it. Now, if you come over here and look, these are two small welds. They're not as big as the welds that were used on the other side to hold it together, but it's welded together. Obviously, I need to practice more before I do anything else like this. But, and I couldn't get the helmet to work exactly the way I wanted it. But hey guys, I've done my first weld. Not pretty, but my first weld. And I'm excited about it. I'm hoping I'll have more fun with this than I've been having watching the videos trying to figure out how to do it. Talk to you soon. Thanks.